to a point now where I'm just going to start moving forwards because I'm waiting for an order of bits and pieces to finish off the rear axle. Done the bearing on that side, just waiting for all the brake components to arrive, then I can replace all of those. So we're going to move forward, going to get onto these brackets. You can see they are really rusted. I'm going to take those off, shot blast anything that's half decent, see if I can get them repaired, but on the whole, they're going to need replacing. I was thinking about putting new arms on, but I've changed my mind. I'm not going to. Any holes in there, I'm going to cut them out, I'm going to plate them up and try and keep it as original as possible. So let's get those brackets off, get them in the shot blaster, those that are salvageable anyway, get them in the shot blaster, and go from there. I'm undecided. I don't know, I don't know what I should do here. Do I spend the time repairing this to keep this original section, or do I say, look, for the sake of it, for the, what is it? I can't even think, 50, 60, 70 quid or whatever it is for a new arm, do I cut it off and just have a new one? You know, I'm keeping the majority of the chassis, but I am replacing this wing. Do I do that? Because I mean, none of these are salvageable. These are all, I mean, that's the best one, and even that side is rotten. Yeah. They all need replacing, all of those bits. So do I just say, new one of those, and all of this new? It will delay it slightly because of finances, but long term, is that the right decision? I've never said it before, but let me know what you think. Send me a message or drop me a comment, because I'm genuinely stuck. Asking for advice from you guys. Help. Perhaps rather daftly, one of the jobs I have been putting off for a while is taking this thing off. I've only ever done it once and it wasn't very much fun, and this is much older and much more rusted on, so I better do it, because I've got to replace the bushes and everything in it whilst I'm here, and whilst, you know, the body's off, it's so much easier than crawling underneath and fighting with an axle in the way, but I'm not looking forward to it, if I'm honest. I'll be honest, that was so much easier than I expected it to be. I have been dreading it for a while, and when I'm trying to tackle things like this, and I know they're going to be a problem, over the past few months of working on it, when I go around with the WD just loosening up some of the other nuts and bolts, I have been squirting it on here, and it shows it really does pay off. All bar one, so it's that 3, 6, 9 out of 10 have been easy. One was a bit stiff, and I was worried I was going to snap it, but it was only because it was the shoulder of it was rusted in here. It wasn't the threads, so I'm really pleased. I'm going to change this. There's no point getting this far and not changing this joint. It would be really foolish not to. no fun way of getting that out. So I think I'm going to have to get a hacksaw, cut in there, cut down, try and cut through the outer part of the bush, cut through these layers, through the rubber, cut through this casing without damaging this, and then hopefully that will be enough for me to have created a small gap so it will shrink slightly when I give it a thump, and hopefully I can get it out. I might have to resort to going to some friends in the next village and use a press, but we'll see if we can get this done. Second layer of metal. Maybe I should have burnt it out. Maybe I should have burnt the rubber out. That might have been a good idea. Maybe I should try that. Oh, there's one. Might have it. There's a chunk of it. That's a slither, so hopefully the rest will come out now. Yes! Bingo! See, you don't have to have all the tools and all the gadgets. If you don't have a press, you can find a way.